Another day, another shorting of GBP JPY. Why? Because I can. That's why. Anyways, man, we're shorting GJ today, guys. London session, okay, didn't just open. It's been 48 minutes since it actually opened. I'm a little bit late to the party right now, but there's no such thing as being late to the party if you end up winning the damn trade, right? So anyways, London session just opened right here. God damn it, why do I keep on saying that? London session did not just open. London session opened 48 minutes ago because your boy was hitting licks. I was hitting licks today, right? And you know how when I hit licks, I want to spend as much time as possible in hell, right? Like just burning the glutes, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, came back from the gym and made my good old protein shake right here. And right now it's already 3:49 p.m., right? It's already 3:49 p.m. We're a little bit late to the party. But anyways, just going for a seller position right here. Let me explain why. So today what we had was, price was obviously heavily bearish, right? Internal bearish order flow right here. Boom, 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 boom. And then you can see what happened was that this was pretty much the last break of structure, right? Last break of structure right here, another break of structure right here. And then every time price broke structure, it actually went up there, sub liquidity before it does break structure. So it came up there, sub the liquidity, continue coming down. And next thing you know, price pullback, started going down, but then it realized that there's no liquidity. There is not enough available liquidity. So as a result, right, you can see there's not enough sell orders for price to continue going down. What needs to happen is for price to go up there to swap more liquidity. So later on, price went up there and swap available liquidity. And where do you think the available liquidity is at? It's gonna be above these highs right here. Above these highs, there's liquidity. Above these highs, there's liquidity. So pretty much just waited for price to went up there, swap the available liquidity above these highs just like this. Also mitigating this supply zone that we have up here, right? Coming deep into this unmitigated supply zone. Let me see whether this is actually unmitigated or am I just capping. Yep, you can see this one right here is pretty much fresh and unmitigated. I mean, like you kind of got multiple forms of mitigation in here. Price went up there, mitigate it, come down, mitigate it again, and then came down. But price did not actually mitigate it properly. I define a proper mitigation as price reaching the 50% of the supply zone, right? Of the supply and demand zone. And that's what I count as a proper mitigation, right? So in this case, price just touch it and go, touch and go, touch and go. And this time around, it actually came up here to the 50% level of this entire supply zone right here. So all the available liquidity that we have over here in the pull inducements and also the push inducements. And then right now we are shifting bearish. The final confirmation was when price came out here and new London liquidity just came down here and took out this last fractal low right here. That was like the final confirmation for me to like just go and look for shorts. Yeah, so once we got a fractal market shift, price starts crashing down and down we go. Holy shit, man. Holy shit, man. What is going on, man? For the stop loss, I'm pretty much placing it above this protected high right here. Because after all, this is the high that swept liquidity, right? Just like this. And the cool part about edge flow is that you can actually drag your stop loss and take profit right here, right? Wow, Brad, that's such a cool feature that haven't been invented yet. Yes, sir. Right, edge flow is the best, man. Edge flow is the best, bro. But anyways, yeah. We are in to trade right now. Hopefully price doesn't make like a deep pullback. If price makes a deep pullback, we are gone. Boom! Price just can't stop coming down. What the hell? Yeah, but anyways, we are about to hit TP soon. Are we about to hit TP soon? But yeah, this is where we are aiming for, man. Like just this area right here will do. Guys. Oh my god. I'm on a roll, bro. Like I've just been milking GJ lately. Like it's a freaking juicy ass cow, bro. Oh my god. This is actually crazy, man. Man, I'm telling you guys, man, it's been long since I got such a smooth price action on GJ, bro. Literally, just yesterday, we made 300k in a few minutes trading GJ. And today, we're about to milk it again. We're gonna milk it. We're gonna suck the living shit out of GJ's tits, man. Oh my days. Oh, we about to hit TP. We about to hit TP now? Yes, sir. We're going out. Bro, this shit is too easy, bro. You gotta be kidding me, man. Come on now, Mr. Market. Come on now, yeah? I was blind, but now I see. I see everything, bro. I see every single candlestick. I can see every single order flow right now. I feel like I have superpower right now. I've opened up the third eye. I have X-ray vision right now, man. I can kind of see where price is gonna go next. It's gonna go down there and smash my damn TP. That's it, baby. That's it, bruv. Let me spit some gems because I'm in a good mood today. Oh my god, how can you not be in a good mood when the market is just rewarding you every single damn day, man? I know like it's very rare to get such price action, right? So when it does happen, I want to make sure that I'm milking the shit out of it, bro. Oh my god, it's still continuing down? Oh my god, bro, there's no way this is happening. Oh my god, we're about to hit DP. There's no freaking way, bro. Price has just been moving crazy lately, bro. Now you guys want to know the secret, right? The secret on how I trade so goddamn well. It's two things. It's the brain and the heart. It's aligning both of those two organs right there that allow me to like just flow with the market itself. Wisdom comes when the heart thinks and the brain feels. The next step appears when your heart and mind stop fighting each other. Now, there's a lot of traders out there who's chipping data all day long and just focus on all like the mechanical, the logical, the rational stuff when it comes to trading. The quant traders, right, the high frequency traders, they are just trying to be as robotic and as mechanical as possible. And then there's the other group of traders who's just completely relying on their intuition, completely relying on God to tell them when to buy, when to sell. By these two types of traders, they are on opposite ends of the spectrum. And if you lie on either end, it's gonna become very difficult for you to achieve monumental success in trading, or rather fulfilling success in trading, which means you need a combination of both. You need your heart for the intuition part, right? The higher self, the creativity, the instinct, and you also need the brain for the logical part, the rational part, right? To ensure that you are making the right decision at all times and not letting emotions cloud your judgment. And ideally, you need both. And you get the brain by doing more reps, right? By creating a trading plan, testing it under data, developing your pattern recognition skill, and just getting very good at spotting patterns over and over again. And just by doing more reps, exposing yourself to more screen time, and just really getting to know your strategy, you know, like all the supply and demand zones, entry models, flip zones, all of this other stuff right here, all the market mechanics concepts, that's the brain. But you also want to develop the heart. And the only way you can develop the heart, this intuition, is by doing more inner work. I've said this 1,000 times by now. This is also why we have a feature in EDGEFLO called the Sanctuary, which allows you to meditate on here, which allows you to do your breathing exercises. Because I'm a big believer that for every hour you spend on chart work, you should spend another hour on the inner work. Because at the end of the day, the market is simply a mirror. It's just reflecting you. Boom! We out! We out of the goddamn trade! That's it! That's it, baby! Look at what I'm saying, guys. We just hit TP. Literally, just like that. That's what happens when the heart is aligned with the brain. Okay, you need both. Man, I'm kind of pissed off by the fact that like, we made freaking 98k today. What the fuck is 98k, man? It should have been 100k, bro. Okay, but that's the ego speaking, guys. Look at that. That's the ego speaking. You don't listen to the stupid ego. 98k and 100k, that's like $2,000 difference. Bro, that's a lot, man. Bro, that's like some people's monthly salary. That used to be my monthly salary, bro. 2k is a lot, man. But yeah, man, you gotta just be okay with what the market give you, man. After all, yesterday we made 300k, today we made about another 100k. I don't know, man. Life genuinely can't get any better than that, bro. Like, this is the best I've ever performed this year yet. And it's only February. We are just getting started. We are just warming up, bro. Man, I feel like my trading improved a lot since I started trading on EDGEFLO, huh? It's not just me, huh, guys? Is it just me? Or like my trading became 10 times better the minute I start trading on EDGEFLO? Wow, EDGEFLO is actually the best trading app, man. Whoever invented EDGEFLO is a freaking genius, bro. Sign up for EDGEFLO, buy my app, please. Thank you. But there we go, guys. We caught a quick little 100k trade today. One is to 3.85 hour trade. Bro, I'm just like, I don't know, man. Dude, the price has just been so easy for the past few days, bro. Maybe it's because I've been through the December market conditions and the January market conditions. And like by contrast, it makes the normal price action looks very easy. Alright, this is why you guys gotta show up every single damn day, man. Because when you start showing up every single damn day, you get exposed to every single sort of market condition out there. And then once you are able to weather through the difficult market conditions, which is incredibly volatile and unpredictable, then it makes this sort of smooth price action feels like a walk in the park. Like genuinely, this actually feels like a walk in the park. You enter, price go to your TP in a few minutes, less than 30 minutes, you made 100k, get out, go and pop some champagne or some shit, and that's it. That's it, man. There we have it, guys. Today we made about 98k in less than 30 minutes. And yesterday we made about 300k in less than 15 minutes. That's like 400k in less than an hour. I'm either a smart fella or a fat smeller. And I like to believe that I'm the former, okay? That's what happens when you start trading on EDGEFLO. When you connect your C Trader account to EDGEFLO, you pretty much unleash your third eye. Now you're able to see the markets. You will have developed this X-ray vision where you can see where the orders are lying, and then you can capitalize on the institutional flow of money before it even happens. That's what happens when you understand liquidity and timing. And you use EDGEFLO. Use EDGEFLO. What the fuck are you waiting for? Use EDGEFLO, bro. EDGEFLO, the best trading app out there. Sign up for EDGEFLO right now, baby. The best trading app ever. www.edgeflo.com. Shout out to the founder of EDGEFLO. He's either a smart fella or a fat smeller. There we go. EDGEFLO will make your trading 10 times better. Trust me, bro. Sauce, trust me, bro. Someone asked me a question yesterday. Brad, as the most handsome and profitable billionaire trader, what are your thoughts on the Bitcoin crashing right now? And I answer him, how smart you are is correlated with how much Bitcoin you hold. The more smart and successful an individual is, the more Bitcoin he holds. Just think about it. Just think about that for a minute. Every single smart person that I know holds a shit ton of Bitcoin. Myself included. So yeah, that's your answer, man. If you want to be smarter, buy some Bitcoin. That's it, right? That's it. Just buy some Bitcoin. You know what Bitcoin stands for? You know what BTC stands for? It stands for Be the Change. I believe that Bitcoin is a currency that will be valued as the consciousness of the universe expands. As people start awakening, as people start getting smarter, they will realize that this is the one true currency. The world is just sleeping on Bitcoin right now. I'm just waiting for the entire world to wake the fuck up. You see, inflation is an invisible theft. The cost of living rises while the value of your currency falls. Slowly, silently, every single year. And the only way to fight back is to own assets that cannot be printed. And that is why I love Bitcoin. Every single year you hold cash, it buys lesser. Inflation doesn't rob you loudly. It does it quietly, percentage point by percentage point. While the Feds continue printing more money, causing there to have a large supply of fiat. Fiat is a scam. Bitcoin is the first asset in history with a known unchangeable supply of 21 million. It literally cannot be printed. You can mine more gold, you can build more real estate, you can dilute stocks, but nobody, not the government, not the central banks, not even billionaires, can create more Bitcoin beyond what the code allows. And you can't inflate what you can't control. Now, the people who figured this out earliest weren't the richest. They were the most paranoid about the system. They saw what governments do when economies get hard. Like they just print more money. And every single time they print, your savings is silently shrinking. Bitcoin came out as a response to that. It was literally built on a distrust of the government, and it symbolizes sovereignty and freedom. So to me, I don't view it as an investment. I view it as an exit. It's a ticket out of the flawed monetary system. So yeah, my answer is wake up. And once you finally open your eyes, you'll wake up and realize that this is more than just hype. This is a revolution. So you can either choose to be part of it or choose to be against it. But either way, it's going to happen. So you might as well take part.